Oppo slide phone with triple hinge foldable screen officially revealed. Oppo is working on a bunch of foldable smartphones. The brand recently introduced the Oppo X 2021 rollable phone, a smartphone with a rollable display. The concept handset features Oppo's 3 proprietary technologies, including the roll motor powertrain, a 2-inch-1 plate, and a self-developed warp-track high-strength screen laminate. Now, the company has introduced a new concept smartphone that offers triple-hinge foldable design. Known as Oppo Slide Phone, the latest foldable concept smartphone comes with some interesting features. Let's take a closer look at the new concept smartphone from Oppo. Oppo Slide Phone concept foldable smartphone revealed. Oppo has revealed a new concept smartphone on its official Twitter handle. The company has revealed that it is showcasing the design concept in collaboration with leading Japanese design studio, Nendo. The company has revealed that the smartphone comes with a triple-hinge foldable screen system, which is one of its kind. The images reveal that the smartphone offers a quite compact form factor when it is in a folded state. Oppo Slide Phone, here's how it unfolds. The smartphone can be easily foldable into 3 sections, which reveals the display of the phone. The phone can be unfolded with up to 7.0-inch screen along with a slim proportion. The concept of slide phone is that smartphone users are using their phone to interact with the world around them more, yet the devices are often too large in size. The triple fold allows the user to change the size to fit the occasion, the company said. Oppo says that sliding one fold-up exposes 40 mm of the screen with simple functions that don't require a full screen. These include call history, notifications, music player interfaces, and more. A secondary fold reveals 80 mm of the Oppo Slide Phone screen. This can be used to take photos or play particular games using side control. Once the phone is fully unfolded, it has a 7-inch screen along with a slim profile. The company says that the phone will offer a slim form factor, which is designed to be partially bent too. That said, there is not much information available about the upcoming Oppo Slide Phone foldable smartphone, but we are sure to receive more intel on the same in the coming days. Whenever we do, we will make it a point to keep you posted on the same. What are your thoughts on the new concept design from Oppo? Do let us know in the comments section below.